Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, if you are new to my channel, I make easy, healthy, and delicious meals in no time at all. Alright guys, today I'm going to be making a 3-ingredient cookie. Bananas, oats, and chocolate. It's so simple and it satisfies all your needs if you're being healthy and on a diet. Alright guys, so I really suggest you wait till the end when I try it in front of you guys. But stop what you are doing, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on IG, Cooking with Hugs, so you can see when I post new videos, guys. Okay guys, in a nice big bowl, you're going to put 2 really ripe bananas in the bowl. And you are gonna mash them up lovely, guys, okay? Now, this does not work with regular, unripe bananas. I've done it before. It was a hot mess situation. It tasted horrible. The sugar is gonna come from the banana after it gets like caramelized and mashed. And let's add in the rest of the ingredients. All right, guys? This is how it should look when you are done. You know that it's ready when the oats are all mixed up with the bananas and the chocolate. Now you're gonna grab yourself an ice cream scooper or your hands, and we're gonna make little balls. Okay, so I have myself an ice cream scooper. I'm just gonna simply scoop the little ball and you just drop it right on the sheet. Now you have to press these down because these aren't your typical cookies. They are not going to form into an actual cookie. You're gonna have to mold it yourself. So I would put at least 2 in a row just to make room for all of the rest. Now I'm gonna continue doing this and I'll check back in. Alright guys, I am done making the banana cookie. It took 2 minutes and this video is probably gonna be 4 minutes, but take a look at that. OMG. Alright guys, this is the easiest recipe ever. And why I decided to make this recipe is there's a lot of times where I come home from the gym and I want to eat something sweet and I'm like, no Hagar, chill the hell out. So I go and I make these banana cookies and it takes me 2 seconds. And what I really love about it, when your bananas are going ripe and nobody's trying to eat it, that's the perfect banana to use for this recipe, guys. So let's try it out. Is it good? Oh, by the way, make sure you let them cool so they actually form the cookie. If you take them right out of the oven, it's going to be mushy. You want them to cool down and firm. Let's go, guys. God, is that you? This is so good. Oh my God. I think I have chocolate everywhere, don't I? I think I OD'd with the chocolate, but who cares? Except those of you who are counting calories, my bad. Oh God, this is so, look at that. Look at it. Okay, let me stop yelling at you guys. Ma! Wow. I'll tell you one thing. Is it better than a cookie? No. I mean, no. But it's so good, guys. It does the job. For those of you who are really strict on calories right now, try this recipe. And as always, guys, thank you so much for cooking with me. Like, comment, and subscribe to my video, guys, so I can keep on making these amazing videos. And don't forget to go on my IG page, Cooking with Hugs, so you know when I'm dropping new videos, guys. Are you guys ready for 4 hugs? 4 hugs? Yes, you are. First, second, third, and the last one's so tight for you guys. And that's 4. Love you guys. Bye.